Hi everyone, it's Sandy and thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel. This video I'm just going to be sharing with you some project ideas on what you can use with your vellum sheets of paper, or you can also use your tracing paper. They're similar to vellum. They do come in different weight. These ones here that I have, these vellum sheets, they're an A4 size, and this is a 90 GSM, so it's not really thick. It's quite thin, but it's still great for projects. They do come in different thicker and heavier weight. I think they can come in 110, 120, 140. I do also have the 140 GSM vellum sheets, and they're quite sturdy and thick, so they're really great for projects as well. But I want to share with you some of the projects that I had made using my vellum sheets, if you're also wanting to know what you can also use them for as well. So first project that I've made were these. I'll put these aside first. So the first one that I made were these really cute Polaroid shaped embellishments. So this is one of them here that I've made. It's really cute, and this is the vellum sheet that I've got. And all I've done here was I ran the Polaroid shape die twice through the machine. These are the Polaroid shape dies. I think you get 4 in a set. I will try and put the link down below for you if you're wanting to purchase these die set. I'm not too sure. I think I did buy them on AliExpress, but I used this larger one here. And then so I ran 2 of them through the machine, and I then embellished the front here with some of my embellishments and just popped them up with some foam dot. And then you can just place this in your projects, or you can add some little word quotes along the back, and then place them on your project. So this is really cute. And so all I've done was I've just cut 2 pieces out, and just a piece of the vellum to fit over the opening, and I just adhere that to the back of the shape, and then I added the one that I'm going to have on the front, in front of it, and then that just gives me that window shape. And then you can use either side to embellish. So that's a really cute little project. I did like making these. So that's what I made with the vellum to make some embellishments. And then I went and made some pockets. So you can also make these really great pockets with your vellum, and then to cover the adhesive that you put around the pocket, you can cover that up with some washi tape like I have here, and then I just used a circle punch to just make a little notch on the top, and that creates a nice pocket for you to add goodies. You could also place these in your planners and punch a couple of holes here, and then you get like a pocket to add to stickers or your little ephemeras. This is another one. You can also punch this way or this way. You can have it so you have a side pocket sleeve in your planners. You can use these to add goodies for Happy Mail. So I do have a link down below on one of my videos on how you can make these vellum pockets. So I'll also put the link down below for you if you wanted to have a look at that video. I also made these really cute triangle pouches or treat favour boxes, and I think these are cute as well. And then you just open it up like this, and then you place all your goodies in there, and then you just close it up like that, and it doesn't need any glue or anything. It will just close itself up. And I use, or you can use 6x6 paper to make these 2 triangle pockets. You just cut it in half, and to get 2 pieces at 3 inches by 6 inches. I'll also show you how to make this quickly at the end of the video as well. There are other videos out there on how you can make these cute little triangle favour boxes, but I'll show you how you can make them. And then I also made these really fun vellum ribbon bows that you could add to your projects or to finish off your packaging. I think these look really nice. And then you can also place them on the back of a doily like that if you like, and then that's just another great way to finish off your packaging. Or you can use this for anything. And these are just some vellum strips that I cut up, and this center flower here, that's an embellishment. I have them in my Etsy store, and then I've pre-packaged them all already for you. You get a random pack of 4 paper layered embellishments, and then they're just great for your centerpieces or to finish off your projects, to add to any project that you like. And then I've made them here. I will put the link down below. I have a tutorial if you wanted to have a look and see how these were made. But the video shows using your scrap pieces of paper to make these ones. And then you can also add them onto bag toppers like I have here. And then it's ready for you to just finish your packaged seal bags and place that on the top. And yeah, so I will put the details of that tutorial for these down below. But I'll just show you how you could make the triangle treat bags. So again, you can make them in any size you like. This one here, I just cut it 3 inches by 6 inches. You just need some double-sided tape, and you're going to run a strip of the double-sided tape to one end, and then you're going to turn that over, and on the shorter width you're going to apply some double-sided tape to that side. So you'll have the long piece on one side, you turn it over, and you're going to apply another piece on the shorter end. And this one here is I think it's a 1/8 of an inch wide double-sided tape, and we're going to peel off the tape. Now this one here, the longer end part, you're going to have that tape facing up, or facing up, and we're going to bring this around. I might go this way. You're going to bring this around, you're going to bring this one over, and you're going to line it up to that double-sided tape on the side, and then you're going to seal that off, and so you're going to get like a cylinder shape. And now the part that we've got the double-sided tape on the inside, we're just going to now bring that in, and we're just going to line it up and press and seal that up. So that's all nice and sealed now, and you'll create yourself a cute little pocket, and then you just add your goodies in there. And the next part you want to do here, you can then cover up the part where you can see the adhesive like I have, using some washi tape. You could use some trim, just anything you like to cover that up. And now what we're going to do, we're just going to turn it up this way, we're going to bring it in and just line that up, and you're just going to pinch the end, press it down, and then just run your fingers to the edge there, and it will want to close itself up anyway. You will notice it will close itself up, and that is all there is to it. And I've got here, I punched a hole here in the middle to add a little pom-pom. You can then add some tags to add a little greeting tag, and it's ready for you to decorate if you like, and then add your goodies in there. And all they have to do then is just open it up from the top, just like that, and then they can take all of their fun goodies out of the treat box or treat bag. So that is just another way you can use your vellum. There are other videos out there on how you can make these as well, but I just thought I'd show you in this video, and I'll put all the links down below again for all of the my tutorials, and where you can get the die as well. So I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all soon. Bye!